could be your superman.
This is how I woke up. Good morning. It is a great day to be alive. I hate to disappoint you, but this is reality. So let's come to reality and let's just get right into it. So I'm starting off with Shape Tape in the shade medium, and I'm just placing this underneath my eyes like a triangle. And then I'm going in with hoola, and I'm just drawing two straight lines on the sides of my nose. Don't worry if there's like super harsh lines. I do go in with powder to set those lines. And I'm just wiping off the foundation I had on my lips, and then I'm going in with Gimme Sun just to bronze up my face a little. And then I'm going with the translucent powder from KatVonD, and I'm just sharpening up the contour. And then there you go, I'm setting the sides of my nose so the lines aren't as harsh. I'm also setting the underneath part of my eyes just so that the concealer doesn't move around during the day. And then to draw in my brows, I go in with this Benefit brow. And then I always set my brows with any mascara is fine. And I'm picking up this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then this business card, and then just so I can get like a really nice line on my edge. And just, yeah, I was just going for a really defined shadow, so that's why I'm using this business card. I swear we look funny right now, but just keep blending and you will get a bomb result, I promise. And then I'm picking up this shade in the center, and I'm just placing it right underneath the bottom part of my eye. And then I'm picking up this darker brown just for the very outer part, just so that the orange is not by itself. And then I'm dusting off the translucent powder. And this is a blush from Lancome, and I do go over my nose a little, and just so that everything looks less powdery, I spray my face with this hard candy, and it just makes everything look like skin again, and it looks really nice. And then I'm going in with Cork from MAC. Oh my god, I can't even talk. And I'm just outlining my lips. I still look weird. And then I believe this is NYX from in the shade Stockholm. And then I love doing my lashes because I feel like lashes just complete the whole entire look. Like right now I still look weird because I don't have my lashes, but before I put lashes I just tight line. And then I never have names of the lashes that I wear because I just place them in random places, and then if they still look like new, I reuse them. I never really put them back in their original package. And then I always like to go back and set my under eye because I love bright under eyes. And then just blending everything out just so that you don't see any harsh lines. And then mascara on the lower lashes, and we're pretty much finished with this look. Oh, never mind. I went back and drew a wing liner.
this like a saint. But I'm a little hoe.
So this makeup look was actually for work, but I was like messing around and calling myself a little hoe and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye.